Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top five carry items. Number one on my list, flashlight. And this is the Ryobi flip back USB LED lithium light, work light. Part number FVLF2. Part number FVLF2. 4 volts. Simple, high, medium, low. But yeah, so that's why it's the flip back. You flip it, rotate it. It's got nice flexibility. Put it on a 2x4 magnetic base. Yeah, let's get these lights off, get you some beam shots, get you up out of here. High, medium, high, medium, low. Okay, no turbo, no strobe, nothing like that. But supposedly it goes up to 40 hours on low. So right there, for a long time. But yeah, rechargeable. You can just pop another battery in it. I got 3 of them back there charging up right now. So yeah, that's the Ryobi flip back. You make sure I'm saying that right. LED flip light. LED flip light. And I'm assuming these are all kits because they come with a battery. But top 5 carry items. Number one on my list, flashlight. Where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.